Hi guys, welcome back to our garage. So today, whether you want to change out your hood struts or if you want to upgrade to these carbon fiber hood struts, we're going to show you how to put them on the Edge ST. So we have to take off these clips right here. Well, we have to pop them out like that. And then, well, this one we have off so that I would put that back on so I can do the bottom. Okay, that's popped out, I think. Okay, and down just a little. Okay, and the new ones just snap right on. Okay, next side. Okay guys, this really is like a 5-minute job. It's super easy. So we're gonna pop off this little tab. We pop off this little tab down here, and then take it off and put the new one on. And the new one just pops right back on. Done. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.